Hello everyone, welcome to Unacademy. Am I audible? Audio video clear? Audio video clear? Hi Jibita. Hi. So am I audible, right? I'm audible, right? Please reply Jivita so that I can start. So am I audible, right? Okay Jivita, so please share this link with all of your friends and all of the students so that they can also join and they can also understand, because here I am discussing the TOC in detail, and from the I am taking learners as that they don't know anything. So in that way I will discuss everything. So please share this link with all of your friends so that they can also join, because today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is the how to identify grammar. I am not telling about the language, because most of the students who already there previously in my class, they don't know, they already know that how to identify language, that is the regular language, context sensitive language, context free language. But how to identify the grammar means when there is it is about the grammar. So I am going to discuss about the grammar today. So this class will be very much helpful. It is actually Chomsky, we know the Chomsky normal form according to the grammar, that by watching the grammar how you can identify it. Okay, that is our point of discussion today. And this is about myself. I am Priyanka Chatterjee, UGC NET qualified with 99.46 percentile. I am a Unacademy educator. So you can follow me. This is my profile, Priyanka Chatterjee. Just search Priyanka Chatterjee, and there you can follow me. 7 p.m. I am taking the free special classes for paper 1 and paper 2 both. And most important point is that I am taking class in English, because there are so many students, they don't know Hindi, especially the South Indian student don't know Hindi. So for them I am taking class in English, means who don't know Hindi, for them it will be very much beneficial. So if you are like that, so please share it with your friends. Please share my profile. Okay, and this is the foundation course, ongoing foundation going on. So it is going to be end at 30th December. Here I have covered the foundation of hi Ramraj. Here I have covered the foundation of digital logic, and now we are discussing the data structure. Okay, so digital logic and data structure foundation will be done, then we will go for the complete course. That is, the complete course is going to start from December 1. It is ending on, sorry, not December, it is ending on November 30, and this course is going to start from December 1, and it is end on March 14th. Okay, so here in this course I am going to cover all the important topic from basic to advanced TOC, computer discrete math, software engineering, computer organization, operating system, networking and DBMS. These are the most important and the core area for any exam. If you are preparing for UGC NET, GATE or any other exam, so these are the core area. And for especially computer science, UGC NET, the software engineering is there, but in other exam maybe software engineering not be there, but these are common, right? So this is very important course. You can take the subscription using my referral code Priyanka CS. Hi Tamil. Using my referral code Priyanka CS, you can take the subscription. So this NTA UGC NET subscription is not only for my course, you can avail all the educator, all the course for UGC NET paper 1 and paper 2, and with that the mock tests are there, weekly quiz are there, everything you can avail with this same subscription. So better to go for at least 6 months subscription or 12 months subscription if you are taking now, because here the price is low. When you are going for long term, then the price is low. And this is the KVS Madan sir. You all know the KVS Madan sir. We are learning from his book. So KVS Madan sir will be live in our special class, that is Aditi Binod Arya ma'am will take the interview of KVS Madan sir November 27th November at 6 p.m. So don't forget to enroll the course and don't forget to attend the class, because in this class your every doubt, your any doubt, any question you can ask directly to KVS Madan sir. Okay, so it will be very much beneficial for all of you, and please share this with all of your friends. Okay, now come to the point of, that is how to identify grammar. Grammar means what? That when the language is not there, means first of all yesterday in our previous class we have discussed the grammar, right? So what are the grammar? In English grammar there are verb, means noun, verb are there. In English grammar, when you are writing that Ram is a boy, we are writing like that, Ram is a boy. So Ram is the noun, right? So Ram goes to school. So when you are writing that Ram goes to school, like that way. So then what is that? That Ram is my noun and goes is the verb, right? So same way when we are writing in TOC, when you are writing in TOC, that is the theory of computation, same way you have to identify everything, that what is this. Okay, so here Ram, Sham, Shita is the noun, and here runs, eat, goes, walks, everything are the vowel, are the verb, right? So here also we are thinking that V is the non-empty set of variables. G means G is the grammar. We are specifying a grammar in that way. G means there is the combination of the non-empty set of variables, means different types of variables will be there, that is called V. T, what is T? T is the set of terminal, means where it is going to end. Hi Padmapriya, hi. Where it is going to end, that is T, means the terminal. And P, what is P? P is the set of production rule, means we will give some production rule, means how the grammar is generated, that is the set of production rule, means that is P. Okay, and next one is S. S is the start symbol, means from where you are going to start the grammar, that is called the S, means the start symbol. Clear? So mainly in grammar you have to remember 4 things. V is the set of variables, T is the terminal, means where it is terminating condition, that is the terminal. What is, sometimes you see that epsilon, here we are writing the epsilon, that is the terminal. Or sometimes we are writing here A, means this is the terminal, means last one. So I am giving you the example, from that example it will be more clear. And production rule means when you are writing ki A tends to A and A tends to B, like that way, these are the production rule, right? And S is the start symbol, when this is the start symbol. Okay, so like this is a language. Now when you are specifying like that ki A to the power n, B to the power n greater or equals to 1, this is not a grammar. This is a language, right? When you have to identify in this way, then this is a language. But if there is grammar is mentioned, then how you can identify that which type of grammar? That is the main thing, that which type of grammar you have to identify that, right? So S is my starting, and then ASB, these are the rule, this is the rule. Hi Kalani, hi Kalani. So this is the rule. How are you, Kalani? That A is B and this is AB, right? So AB is the terminal. Now this is the terminal. This is the terminal and this is the rule. Means S is the starting symbol and AB are the terminal. AB is the terminal here and S is the starting symbol here, right? Got it? Now how you can generate the language? How you can generate the language from this grammar? Can you generate this language A to the power n, B to the power n from this grammar? Are you able to do that? Try it. Yes. So our production rule was S tends to S A S B, right? Now this S is replacing the AB because here is the terminal is AB, right? So we can replace this S with AB. We can replace this. Ma'am, fine ma'am, happy to see after long time. Okay. Yes, I am also happy. I am also happy to see you all here. So this is AB, right? So S we are replacing with AB, means now what is you get? That is A, then AB, then B, right? Now if you take this, that we can derive also like that ki SAB, that is S directly we can write that S is AB, right? Because either you can take this production or you can take this production. This is the meaning of like that ki when you are writing S, A, S, B or there is AB, means you can take any production. Using this production you can do, that is A, S, B, means you are replacing this, and you can directly take S, A, B, right? So we can derive like this also. And in another way, can we derive anything? Try it. Yes, we can derive like that ki S production was SB. Now this S, this was the S, this S you can replace with any other. Can you replace? Yes. That is, I am replacing this S, total S in ASB. Total S I am replacing like that. I am giving the bracket for understanding that A is B again and there is B. Means this S I am replacing with ASB because of this production, right? Now from this S, again from this S we can replace with this AB, that is we can write down that AA, same A is there. Now this S I am writing AB and then B, right? So what is the production is coming now? AA, AB, BB, like that way, AA, AB, BB. This is also possible, right? Right? Hi Kalani, my name is also Kalani, but it is showing Vaishali. Okay, very good, very good. So is it clear? So finally from this production it is very clear that any number of A and any number of B you can generate. That is called that A to the power n and B to the power n, right? You can generate, you are able to generate any number of A and any number of B from this grammar, from this production. So that is called, that's why this is the grammar, and from this grammar now you are able to generate the language. Now you are able to generate this language. Yes, this is the language A to the power n, B to the power n. But when this grammar will be given, that only here it is the grammar given like that, and from this grammar when the question will be that which type of grammar is this, type 0, type 1 or type 2 or type 3 grammar, then how you can identify it. That is our point, that how you can identify it. Okay. Okay. So here I am taking another set, that is I am taking alphabet equals to AB, and it is the set of all string of length 2. When it is the set of all string of length 2 means A plus B means either AB or AB, So like that way, in our last class, yesterday we have discussed, right, that how many strings is possible? AA, AB, BA and BB, right? So if this is the possible, so what will be the grammar? The grammar will be SAA, and from this A or B, right? A or B we can do that so easily by, and when you are doing the derivation, then you have to remember that you have to apply either leftmost or rightmost. Two types of derivation can be possible, that is either leftmost or rightmost. You cannot mix. What is leftmost? What is rightmost? Leftmost means that there is two difference. One is the capital letter, another is the small letter. And some variables are here, these are the capital letter, and some variables are there, these are the small letter. Generally the capital letter we are replacing, the capital letter are the variables and the small letters are the terminal. You can remember like that, capital letter are the variables, that variable we can replace at one step. In every step replacing leftmost variable means in leftmost capital letter we will replace by the small letter. Okay, from where we will get the small letter? From this terminal. From this terminal we will get the small letter, right? And for the rightmost, in every state we will replace at most one variable, that is the rightmost variable. Okay, so don't mix two. Don't mix two. Either you have to replace the leftmost or you have to replace the rightmost. Is it clear? Is it clear? So what was there? There it was SAA. Then what is the leftmost here? The capital letter here A. So in the second step we will do AA. Now what is the leftmost here? This is the leftmost. That's why we will do AA. Got it? Is it clear? Is it clear? And when you are doing, but the answer will be same. Yes, the answer will be same, because when the answer will be, because you are doing either leftmost or the rightmost, the answer will be definitely same. Definitely the answer will be same. But at a time you can apply anything, any one. You don't mix. Do not mix the leftmost and rightmost. Means in first step you have replaced the first A from the left one, and in second step you are replacing the last A. That is not. If you are going from left one, then you have to traverse like left one. If you are going like rightmost, then you have to traverse like rightmost. Any one you have to follow. Okay. Otherwise you will got the wrong answer. Okay? And here the rightmost one we are replacing this, this was AA, the rightmost one was this A. So that is I am replacing here, then AA, then A, right? So this is called the leftmost and the rightmost derivation, and in that way actually you have to derive this. That how you can derive, this is the way of derivation, how you can derive. This is the AA and these are the AB. This one is also can be done here also, that is from here you will get AA, from here you will get BA, from here you will get AB, from here you will get BB, right? So these are the four combination how you can get the language, that what are the string accepted by the grammar. Got it? And finally from this grammar, if you are see this grammar, whatever what grammar we have, we are taking last example, that is here S implies ASB and here the terminal is AB. So it is the any A to the power n and B to the power n, right? Any combination of A and any combination of B, in that way it is coming, right? Clear? Clear to everyone? Is it clear? I मैम कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन ए हो सकता है, कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन ए हो सकता है, मतलब according to the grammar you have to see that what is the terminal. Just remember that ki the capital letter, mainly the capital letter are the variable and the small letter are the terminal. So you have to replace the capital letter with the small letter. This is the most easy way to understand. You have to replace the capital letter with the small letter with the production. Means this A is the capital letter. This A you can replace with when there is A implies A or B. That is this capital letter A you can replace with either small a or small b. Got it? Yes. Now the grammar. Now come to the grammar. There are 4 types of grammar. Type 3 grammar, type 2 grammar, type 1. I am showing you the chart. Just 1 minute. The chart I am showing you. This was the chart, right? This was the chart. So what are the grammar? Grammars are the type 0 grammar, type 1 grammar, type 2 grammar and type 3 grammar. Type 0 means unrestricted grammar, type 1 means context sensitive grammar, type 2 means context free grammar, type 3 means regular grammar. Okay, and these are the same language also, that is the recursive language, recursive enumerable language, recursive language, context sensitive language, context free language. There are 2 types of context free language, that is non-deterministic context free and deterministic context free. These both are actually that only context free grammar, but the language are different, but the grammar is same. Okay, and finally these are the regular grammar. Okay, there is some difference in language. In language we are dividing in 2 language context free grammar. There are 2 different language, that is non-deterministic context free language and deterministic context free language, but the grammar is same. Today the discussion is about grammar. We are not going for the language. Today the discussion is about grammar. Okay, so we are here. Now I try to understand how to identify the grammar. That is the type 3 grammar is the regular grammar. Regular grammar means what? That the variable, here the combination C, the variable type 3 grammar is the most restricted grammar, and here it can be either left, either you can do in left way or left recursive grammar or right recursive grammar. Okay, means in left way or right way you can generate it, and here it can be any combination. This is the V is the variable and R is the sorry, not recursive, left left linear and right linear. It is not left recursive, sorry, it is left linear grammar or right linear grammar. Means just now we have discussed what is left linear and what is right linear. From this one it will be more clear. I am zooming it. This is the regular grammar. That in regular grammar it can be right linear or it can be left linear. Okay, right linear means alpha b. Here you see this is alpha b and this is the beta. Alpha and beta is the terminal. It is the terminal and the capital letter are the variable. What I have told you, the capital letter are the variable and the small letters are the terminal. So this alpha is the terminal and this beta is the also terminal, but this b is the variable, right? And here also you can see that it is the left linear because first one is my capital letter and second one is my small letter or another, that is alpha. At the here alpha we are writing because alpha can be anything. It can be A, B, C, anything. Okay, according to that which variable you are accepting. Okay, so the regular means it can be either right linear or left linear. In that way it will be explained. And this is the terminal and this is the variable. So beta can be the epsilon or terminal. Beta can be, what is that? Is it can be the terminal. The terminal can be epsilon or it can be A, B, C, anything. And here also when you are going for the right linear, it is also that here it can be epsilon or it can be A, B, C, anything. So when the grammar is looking like this, then it is the regular grammar. Okay. But when it is the combination of left and right, means see here what we have done here, just is it clear? Here it is clear. Here see the small letter is 1, first one is small letter, second one is capital letter. But here the first one is capital letter and the second one is small letter. Just try to understand this one. First one is small letter, second one is capital letter. And here the first one is capital letter, second one is small letter. That's why this is not regular. Either left linear or right linear. Combination of left right is not accepted. Got it? Remember that. Either if you are taking left small letter in left side, then for every production there will be small letter in left side. If you are taking capital letter in right side, then in every production there will be the capital letter in right side. Both combination is not accepted. Got it? So this type of grammar is called the regular grammar. Is it clear? So it is written here that this production of grammar, that type 3 is the most restricted grammar and type 3 should be in the form of V, T star or T star or T star V or T. And example, what is the example? A is equals to AB. This is the example of regular grammar. Got it? Is it clear? Is it clear? Now come to the point of context free grammar. Context free grammar means just one by one. If you are trying to remember in this way one by one, then it will be more easy for you to understanding. Context free grammar means what? When the production is like that, alpha tends to beta. Then alpha means the left hand side. Left hand side will be the exactly one. In left hand side there will be exactly one variable in left hand side. Exactly one variable will be there in the left hand side, and in right hand side can be any combination. Right hand side can be any combination of variable or tuple. That is only the restriction of the type 1 grammar, that is the left hand side is one variable will be there. That you have to check when the grammar is given. You have to check only the left hand side for the type 2 grammar, that is the context free grammar. You have to check only the left hand side. See, in the left hand side only one variable, that is the capital letter. All the capital letter will be there and only one variable will be there. If this is like that, then it is clearly the context free grammar or the type 2 grammar. Got it? Clear? Is it clear? Right. Now next one. Now next one is context sensitive grammar or type 1 grammar. So context sensitive grammar, what is that? Ki context sensitive grammar, left hand side can be epsilon also. In left hand side there can be epsilon also. There cannot be epsilon, but it can be the combination of small and capital. It can be the combination of small and capital, and in right hand side there can be epsilon. In right hand side there can be epsilon also. Okay, left hand side there cannot be epsilon, and it can be the combination of small letter and capital letter, means variable and terminal. variable and terminal. Why I am repeating the small letter and capital letter? Even regular have one variable in left hand side. Yes, in regular it is more restricted. Regular it is more restricted. Here you have to follow any one production, that is either right linear or left linear. Regular is more restricted. Okay, regular is more restricted. Here it will be the either left linear or right linear, and definitely in the left hand side there is only one. Definitely in left hand side only one, but the restriction is that combination is not possible. Here see, first one is A, second one is first one is small a, second one is small b, and here first one is capital B, second one is small b. That is not accepted here, but here it is accepted. Here you can see, here I am writing capital B, here I am writing small b. That is accepted here. Here it is no problem. Here we are seeing that only the left hand side only one variable, then that is no problem. Then any combination is accepted. Right hand side any combination is accepted. Here not like that you have to do the left linear or right linear. Got it? One by one restriction is less. One by one restriction is less. That's why I am starting from regular. In regular there is more restriction. After that, context sensitive grammar, there is less restriction, means there is no restriction of right linear or left linear. When you are coming to the context free grammar, that is the type 2, type 1 grammar, then there is less restriction, that left hand side cannot be epsilon, but right hand side it can be epsilon, and in left hand side here it can be combination of left small and capital, that is variable and terminal, right? One restriction is there here, one restriction. What is the restriction? The length of left hand side less or equals to length of right hand side, means whatever length will be there, means in left hand side if there is 2 letter, then in right hand side it cannot be 1 letter. Either in right hand side there will be 2 letter or 3 letter. That is the only restriction, that the length of the left hand side is less or equals to length of the right hand side. Got it? Clear? Clear? One by one, try to relate one by one, then it will be more easy to remember. It is the mind mapping. When you are doing the mind mapping in that way, then less or equals to length, हाँ लेंथ कुछ भी हो सकता है, लेंथ कुछ भी हो सकता है. ओनली रेस्ट्रिक्शन इज दैट कि लेंथ ऑफ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड विल बी लेस और इक्वल्स टू लेंथ ऑफ राइट हैंड साइड. ठीक है, अदर देन दैट नो रेस्ट्रिक्शन. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड कैन नॉट बी एप्सिलॉन. वन रेस्ट्रिक्शन इज दैट कि एप्सिलॉन नहीं हो सकता है, इट कैन नॉट बी एप्सिलॉन. राइट हैंड साइड देयर कैन बी एप्सिलॉन. And another restriction is that length of left hand side should be less or equals to of right hand side. Got it? And type 0 means it is unrestricted, means there is no restriction at all. Type 0 means unrestricted, means it can be anything, left hand side can be anything, that is here epsilon can be also there, and here it can be anything, any combination of variable and tuple. Here is actually the tuple, that plus t is there, it is not, it is cut down. So here no restriction like left hand side, right hand side, no restriction. See, here it is 1 letter and here it is 4 letter, here it is 3 letter, here it is 1 letter. So no restriction. Here always you can see, here it is 1, here it is 3, here it is 2, here it is 3. But here you can see, here left hand side is 3 but right hand side is 1. So no restriction is there. That's why we are telling this is unrestricted. Here we are not following any rule, anything can be there. That is called the unrestricted grammar. Okay. and that's why it is called the unrestricted grammar. Got it? So try to write down in that way for your revision, for your learning, for your mind mapping. Always when you are learning any new topic, always try to write down everything in one page. In that way I am learning, so I am teaching also in that way, so that mind mapping will be fine. Otherwise for this you have to write down in 4 pages. No need to write anything in 4 pages. Just try to write down in 1 page, and everything should be in 1 page. Right? Everything should be in 1 page, and that's why you can do your mind mapping in that way. One by one restriction is going down. Actually it should be start from type 0. Actually most of the time you can see that it is starting from type 0. But why I am starting from type 3? Because it will be more easy to remember. Here there is more restriction. After that here there is less restriction than type regular. Then here there is less restriction, and finally it is unrestricted. In that way if you try to remember, then it is more easy to remember. It is more easy to remember. Okay? Got it? I think it is now clear that how to identify the grammar. So try to do with some example, try to find out some example, and just try to understand that it is what type of grammar. From the example, are you able to understand it or not? And tomorrow will be again the class for TOC, same time here, 4:30 p.m. 4:30 sorry, not 4:30, 4 p.m. same time, TOC class again there. Okay, this week only TOC will be, I will take here only TOC. Okay, bye everyone, and please share with everyone that my classes is I am taking the class here. Please share with everyone the live classes, free classes is going on, and you can avail the classes easily. And this is my complete course. I am going to launch the complete course. It is already launched. From the 1st December it is going to start the complete course. You can join the complete course. Here I will cover everything: TOC, discrete math, computer organization, software engineering, operating system, computer network, database management. Everything I will complete here. And this is my referral code, Priyanka CS. Using this referral code you will get 10% off. Okay, so I think it will be very much beneficial for you, all of you, to get the subscription for the complete course. And it is not only my subscription, it is a common subscription of UGC NET category. You can avail my courses, and you can avail other educator courses also for paper 2 and paper 1 both. All, everything, it is a complete package for you. Okay. Okay everyone, bye. Bye. I am ending the session for now. Tomorrow again we will meet at same time. And today at 7 p.m. there is a class of paper 1. I will discuss the paper of 11th November. 11th November, that is computer science paper was there. So I will discuss the paper 1 today at 7 p.m. at Unacademy. At Unacademy, just go to my profile, you can see the link. 7 p.m. at Unacademy there will be the class for paper 1, and it is free. Okay, bye. Bye everyone.